In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually get motion blur easily in Roblox. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going on Google and searching Reshape Me. You can click on this website right here. Scroll all the way down and click on Download Reshape 5.8.0. Once it downloads, you're going to click it and allow it to open up. Since mine is being protected, I'm going to click Run anyway. Now, since there is actually only two options for me, and there are more coming up right now, I'm going to go onto my Windows key and scroll down, and I'm going to find my Roblox. As you can see, it's right here. I'm going to click it and right-click it and open file location. Now, once I have the file location, I'm going to click up here in this bar and copy this. Once this is copied, I'm going to click Browse and click up here and paste what I copied. Now, once you're here, you're going to click on Roblox Player and open. I'm going to click Next, and it's going to begin the installation process for the Reshape Me. A lot of different people have different options for this. I'm going to use DirectX and continue to actually install. I'm going to click on Next, and it'll bring you to this pop-up here. You're going to click Uncheck All and then Check All, and then allow it to download all of the effects. It's going to take a little bit of time, but in no time, you'll have all of the effects downloaded and you'll be able to join in on Roblox and get motion blur. As you can see, it takes quite a while, so I'm just going to wait for it to download. Once it's done downloading all of the data, you can click on Finish. Now, once you're done that, you're going to be able to open Roblox and you will have motion blur. Now, since I'm doing this, I'm going to show you how to actually activate it fully because it's not activated yet. So once Roblox actually opens up, it's going to look a little different than it did before. Since Reshape Me has been downloaded, there are so many things that are added. Now, I'm going to join in on a random Roblox game so that you guys can actually see the motion blur that can be added. Now, it says that it's compiling all of the effects, so it might actually take a little bit to be able to access the motion blur. Now, once all of the effects are downloaded, you're going to actually click the home button on your keyboard and it's going to open this up. Go to the search bar and type in motion, and you're going to check this motion blur off. Once it's checked off, you're going to click the home button to close it, and motion blur will be activated on your screen, as you can see. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.